Hello kids. Do you remember the present simple tense? Let's revise the rules. I, you, we, they, play. He, she, it, plays. Now let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. The boy plays football after school. 2. My sister likes ice cream. 3. The dog runs in the park. 4. Anna reads books in the evening. 5. Tom watches cartoons on YouTube. 6. The children study maths. 7. My friends help their parents. 8. I run in the morning. 9. You and your friend love sweets. 10. The sun rises in the east. Great job. You're amazing.